Chapter 2, The Resengo Inbox, Part 1, An Introduction to Our Central Hub. Welcome to your Resengo Inbox. You'll want to get to know it as well as you know the rest of your business. Just as a first impression matters when a new guest walks in your door, your replies from the inbox will be the online guest's first impression of you. We can't help you cook, but our tools will help you to create the most personal guest experience ever. The inbox has 6 folders: questions about reservations, group requests, messages, reviews, notifications, archive. In the first folder, you will find all messages regarding reservations that have not been handled. With just one click, you can see the complete message, information about the guest who sent it, and reply quickly to impress your guest with quality interactions. Most of your messages will be similar, making it easy to use a standardized reply. In this way, all communication will have the same tone of voice and be just as you would answer the guest, whoever replies. Just click on the fitting answer and press send. Messages consolidates messages from all sources: your widget, Resengo.com, or your Restaphone. They're automatically linked to the guest profile, making it easy to look up open reservations or make a new one. You can set up groups of any size to require a manual approval before the reservation is accepted. You'll receive these requests in group requests, and they can be approved or denied with just one click. Next up are your reviews. Here you can see what your guests have to say and reply to your reviews the same way you answer a message. You'll also have standardized replies available here as well to quickly acknowledge positive reviews. The very best of your reviews can be showcased on your Resengo profile on Resengo.com and on your Facebook page, inspiring potential guests to book with you. Studies show 85% of guests find good reviews as trustworthy as a recommendation from a friend. The archive folder contains messages you've replied to or marked as done. This allows your inbox to remain focused on current business, but allows access to older messages for any reason, such as contacting a guest who came for an anniversary dinner the previous year or reviewing staff communication with guests. The notifications folder will flag items that need your attention. If you don't use the automated waiting list, this will be the folder where you receive a notification that there is room for someone on the waiting list. Optimizing your occupancy is what makes your business boom. Now that we have a complete overview of the inbox, we invite you to dive deeper into Part 2.